Would you rather own a floating moon lamp or a floating lamp that charges your phone? The levitating moon lamp looks amazing and creates a relaxing atmosphere. But the HNJUGFE floating lamp takes things to another level. It doesn't just float, it also wirelessly charges your smartphone while creating an incredible visual effect. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, gaming setups, parties, and anyone who loves futuristic gadgets. If you're looking for the coolest combination of technology and style, the HNJUGFE floating lamp wins this battle. Which one would you choose? Comment below.